GitHub versus GitLab, which is better for developers? So when it comes to hosting code and collaborating on software, GitHub and GitLab are two top choices. Both offer repositories, issue tracking, CI/CD pipelines, and team collabs, but their philosophies differ. GitHub emphasizes community and their ecosystem dominance, while GitLab is built around all-in-one DevOps automation. So now let's go ahead and compare the two. So, as you probably know, GitHub is one of the world's largest code hosting platforms, widely known for its open source community and seamless collaboration tools. It offers pull requests, code reviews, GitHub Actions for CI/CD, dependent bot for automated security updates, and deep integrations with third-party tools. Its strengths lies in network effects. Almost every developer already has a GitHub account. Now, GitHub, on the other hand, is an all-in-one DevOps platform that combines repository, CI/CD, project management, security scanning, and deployment pipelines into a single application. It offers self-hosted and cloud versions, role-based access control, built-in issue boards, and full automation from commit to deploy without relying on external tools. Now, this is ideal for teams who want centralized control over their entire development lifecycle. Now, GitHub is unbeatable for collaboration, open source visibility, and community engagement. GitLab is the better choice if you want everything. So this includes repos, CI/CD, project tracking, and security in all one platform. GitHub feels lighter and more social, while GitLab is heavier but more powerful for full DevOps workflows. Individual developers and public projects thrive on GitHub, while structured teams and enterprises tend to prefer GitLab. Now, choose GitHub if you prioritize open source collaboration, simplicity, and ecosystem familiarity, or choose GitLab if you want fully integrated DevOps platform with powerful automation and self-hosting options.